Good afternoon, Craig here with Craig's Car Care. This is a show and tell, not a how-to do. Only got about 40 more seconds. If you have clicking in your dash, going click, 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 or pop, 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 and you change from hot to cold or vent positions, it may be one of these little electrical motors with all the little plastic gears inside that are making noise. This is inside the dash. This is deep inside the dash. Some of these you can get to through glove boxes and stuff. Some you cannot. Here's one on top. The heater core sits underneath here. Here's your evaporator core for your air conditioner. So this is probably your blend door for your hot and cold. So if you have clicking going on in the dash of your vehicle, this is a Ford truck, it may be one of these motors going bad. Thanks for watching Craig's Car Care.